Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh, and a very good day to our lecturer. Today, my group and I will be presenting based on what we have observed based on our previous field trip to ASTRO Sdn Bhd located at Bukit Jalil. Our field trip was held on 23rd April 2019, and our group consists of 4 people, which is Syuhada Musa, Wafa Syafiqah, Aiman Auza'i, and also me, Muhammad Syafiq Berizwan. Please enjoy our presentation.
Okay, delivery system. For delivery system, we are focusing on the service blueprint. Service blueprints is a tool that can be used for us or for the company to know what are the procedures, what are the customer process flow that is needed to provide the service for their customer. On the screen, we can see that there is a service blueprints for ASTRO, and these are some of the ASTRO services that are being delivered. Unlike conventional building blueprints, service blueprints focus on the customer process flow, showing the interactions among staff and support services. All service blueprints begin with a template. The top line describes the physical evidence that customers will see and experience. Hence, ASTRO's customers may experience some of the following activities. For the first one is unavailable program. Secondly, not at home. The customer are not at home. And third is the customer want to install ASTRO. A dashed line of interactions between the customer actions and on-stage contact person shows the points of customer-facing activity. A dotted line of visibility beyond which a customer cannot see is shown in the middle of the blueprint, separating on-stage contact person from the backstage contact person. According to the figure, on-stage contact person made available when an installation is needed, because installation of ASTRO requires ASTRO agent to attend to customer's place to install the dishes, the satellite dishes. For the backstage contact person, ASTRO will have their customer service operator facilitate and guide customer to solve the problem. A final dashed line of interaction separates the activity from the support processes. ASTRO Go app has been around for several of years and is of convenience for the customer who is away from their home but want to consume ASTRO's content.
Facility design. The facility design at ASTRO Malaysia is being designed to give convenience to the employees and is the daily operation of the company. The first element of the facility design is the size of the facility. The size of facility at ASTRO Malaysia is sufficient and adequate to provide a comfortable space for the staff. In creating the final product, ASTRO offers full post-production facilities encompassing video, audio, multimedia, graphic, and server management. ASTRO caters for studio, sport, and OB with the latest tools and custom solution. ASTRO Malaysia has 5 studios featuring a whole range of ultra-modern editions, such as a large soundproof stages, full lighting grid, control rooms, silent air conditioning, and lots more. Apart from that, the other amenities that ASTRO Malaysia provides, such as makeup rooms, dressing rooms, VIP rooms, and also cafeteria. The second element of the facility design is the aesthetic and ambience. The environment of the working place is important in ensuring the exciting and welcoming environment. The color of the building, which is very calming and soothing, will enhance the mood of the employees and also the visitors. This will contribute to the stress-free environment so that they will feel enjoy when they are working. The lighting inside the building is adequate and the building is fully air-conditioned to create a comfortable working place. The third element in the facility design is the layout. The layout design at ASTRO Malaysia is being arranged in an organized arrangement. The office and studio is being placed close to each other to enable the staff to interact and communicate easily. At ASTRO Malaysia, the glass wall office is being used to reduce the need for artificial lighting and to improve staff productivity and morale. The radio station studio is designed to be soundproof so that it will not interrupt during the recording session.
So, let's move to our next finding, which is location in service design. From our findings, ASTRO have 2 locations for their service operation to broadcast their television programs. So, the locations which are one in Cyberjaya and second is at Bukit Jalil. So why they end up to choose this location? It is because this location have a low distribution of rainfall. So what does this location is related with ASTRO service operation? Because when there is a heavy rain, the signal from the Measat satellite cannot reach to the ASTRO receiver, then making television in the house end up with blank broadcast.
Next is capacity planning. Capacity planning have three forms of capacity: financial, economic, and technological capacity alternatives. From the visit to ASTRO, only technological capacity alternative was able to be observed by students. From the observation made, it can be seen that ASTRO main facility owns 2 uplink satellite dishes and 4 downlink satellite dishes. The amount of uplink satellite dishes and downlink satellite dishes at ASTRO backup facility is unknown. However, the tour guide had mentioned that the sizes of the satellite dishes are the same size. So far, ASTRO is able to bear millions of its customers, current customers, with the existing of the 2 uplink satellite dishes located at their main facility. And if whatever happened to the main satellite dishes, they have backup in Cyberjaya.
So let's move to information in service design. So from our findings, we know that ASTRO buy movies from outside countries. So sometimes movies from other country, they contains explicit scenes. So ASTRO, they will edit first any part of the scene that is not appropriate for the subscriber to watch. Other than that, they also will add up subtitles for movies before they broadcast it in the television. Second one is heavy rainfall. So ASTRO, they have a switch that will turn all of the signal emission from Bukit Jalil facilities to Cyberjaya facilities in a split second if in Bukit Jalil they have heavy rainfall. So they do that because they don't want any disturbance for the subscribers while watching their television programs. So the third one is when there is mistake happen while broadcasting the program, the respective employees have to correct it within 3 to 4 minutes to avoid any complaints from subscribers or their customers.
I will be presenting on the managerial elements, where their quality measurement, they have been serving 23 million individuals across Malaysia, and for the household value, there are 5.7 million households. For the percentage numbers, there are 77% of the Malaysian households have been using ASTRO, and quality have been very crucial for them. It is because they measure the quality with the increasing number of their customer and also the customer satisfaction. For their achievement, ASTRO has won gold in the media network category at the Putra Brand Awards for 9 consecutive years back in 2010 until 2018. They also have won the Malaysian Marketers of the Year Awards in 2016 and accolades at the IDC Digital Transformation Awards for Malaysia in 2017 and also for the year 2018. As for their design quality, ASTRO is well known for their top quality service performance. Their products and services are known for accessibility and also usability. They ensure that their products bring good experience like no other to their customers. Most of their customers are very well satisfied with the quality and experience they got while using ASTRO.
Service encounter. The service encounter triad captures the relationship between 3 parties in the service encounter. The first characteristic of the parties in the service encounter triad is the characteristic of the service organization or the service provider. ASTRO Malaysia is operating in a highly technological facilities. The technology that is being used in this service company is according to the need and demand in the service management. Apart from that, ASTRO Malaysia is always making sure they are up to date and alert to the current trend that happen in their surrounding. In coping with the growing and competitive market, ASTRO Malaysia is always focusing with the quality of their service to ensure the satisfaction of their customers is being prioritized. Besides that, the system that is being used at ASTRO Malaysia is easy to be accessed by customers, so that the information can be transferred effectively and efficiently. The second characteristic is the characteristic of the contact personnel or employees. Contact personnel or employees is playing a big role in the service company. They need to interact with the customer and respond to the customer complaint in a proper way. The staff of ASTRO Malaysia are friendly, patient, and have a positive attitude in facing situations that happen during their working hours. When a problem occurs or when they receive complaint from the customers, the staff will be trying their best to keep calm and solve the issues quickly. The staff at ASTRO Malaysia is also tech savvy, where they can handle the tools work and managing the technologies with ease. The third characteristic is the characteristic of customers. The customers of ASTRO Malaysia are coming from different type of demographic aspect. The age of the user who can use the service is from the children until elderly people. This is because ASTRO is providing a lot of choices of television channel according to their suitable age. For the customers who demand for more choice of television channel, they can pay for extra package such as by purchasing ASTRO Beyond, where it provides more input and selection of movies. As a conclusion, ASTRO Malaysia is currently growing in this competitive market. ASTRO Malaysia is becoming the most important commercial radio broadcaster in Malaysia and the main publisher of TV guides and lifestyle magazines. In order to still to be relevant and becoming the choice of Malaysian, ASTRO Malaysia must keep following the trend according to the demand and needs of their customers. ASTRO Malaysia need to come out with more content that allow the users to choose the service that ASTRO Malaysia provided. Hence, people will keep becoming their loyal customer and will keep purchasing their service.